And we have a new character, Emily, free face Emily. Prototyping these models are easy, fast, but the problem is making these faces, put them together, and blah blah blah. That's the main problem. The rest is easy and fast. So here is what we have so far. It's a prototype for Emily, and this model obviously will be tested in the near future, since we have a small list of characters that are ready to go, so we can start making these faces for the flip face models. So remember, these are prototypes and needs to be tested. So far so good. What do you think?